Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making this really cute birthday candle. Well, it's a candle that I got off of Temu, and I just can't wait to get on here and share it with you guys because I've never seen this before, and I thought it would be something cool to share with you guys so you could see. And maybe if you want to get one, you can check it out. I'm going to link it in the bio. But here I'm just putting a couple drops of alcohol ink in each one of the numbers, and I did spray it with 91% alcohol before I started to avoid bubbles. So yeah, that's a great tip if you don't know about resin. 91 alcohol is a lifesaver. But yeah, these, I don't know if you remember, but I'm old. So back in the days, and I think still today, you could buy these number candles like this for birthday cakes. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, this is so cute. And when you see the finished product, you're going to be like, oh, that is so cute. And it's perfect for any birthdays or, I guess you could do anniversaries or, just about anything for real. But because it looks like birthday candles, that's why I say more shooting towards birthday parties. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and pour the resin. I hope everyone's having a good day. Um, it's pretty nice here in Pennsylvania, so I'm loving it. And gotta enjoy the sunshine while you can. It's been real rainy. But I hope everyone stays to see the end of this so you can see how cute it is. And maybe one day we can collab together and do something. I always wanted to do that. So yeah, I don't know if I ever said it, but I'm a mom of five, but I'm soon to be an empty nester. Our youngest just turned 20 and he'll be moving out soon. So I picked up my resin, and that's what I've been enjoying since the kids grew up and it's so quiet in the house. So here I'm just going around and like swirling in the alcohol ink to try to give it like a little marble effect. I love the way these alcohol inks turned out. They turned out so pretty. And I used alcohol ink to get like the transparent look. And yeah, it turned out super cute. So now we're just going to go ahead and finish this up, and then you're going to let your resin cure for 24 hours, and then you can come back. I'm just going around making sure I don't got any bubbles and extra spill. And then here I'm just showing you how it looked after I went around and swirled in the alcohol ink. And doesn't that look so cool? Oh, I love them. So we're going to go ahead and let them cure. And this is the bottom part that came with it. So here I just picked some gold and silver alcohol ink, and I'm just going in and dropping a couple drops in there. And these are super pretty too. And there I'm spraying in some more 91% alcohol. It's my best friend. I don't use heat, but you can, but I don't. I just use my alcohol. So here I'm just adding some more alcohol ink because I didn't see it in some spots. And then I'm adding some white sinker alcohol ink. And I'm just going to go ahead and swirl it around to try to give it a little marble effect as well. Going around my edges. And here we go, guys. 24 hours later. And these turned out so cute. So, so cute. You see, they all got like a transparent light, like clear. They're like so cute. You can see through them. That's why I chose to use alcohol ink. And I got these on my birthday, and I had every intent to upload a video, but you know, life gets in the way sometimes. But here I am. I'm almost finished, and we'll get to see how this all turns out. Hopefully, you stayed and you got to see how this is going to turn out. And this is the bottom part, and that's where you put your little tea candle lights. And then here I was just trying to show you, and this is how old I turned, guys. So I used 48. How cute is that? I love this mold. Like, this is such a cute mold, and I hope you can get you one because you're going to love it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and switch out some numbers so you can see you can use any age, and you can also use years as well, like 2020, 2025, and all those. I didn't buy two, so you would have to double up the numbers, but still, this is just so cute. And I'm just showing you all the different numbers. I just stuck with the zeros. Yeah, I love it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stuck around. Uh, Leave me a comment or like if you want. And hopefully, I'll get to see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think, guys. Till next one, have a wonderful day.